You believe in yourself and think is positive anytime. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Students, what had happened on this day in the past? So, I would like to call Shraddha Shetty to the standard. Students, what had happened on this day in the past? So, I would like to call Shraddha from the standard. Good morning, everyone. Myself, Shri from standard 7. Standing here to tell you today's history of the day. First, the communist democratic republic, i.e. that is East Germany, was formed in 1949. Second, war in Afghanistan began against Americans and British. Third, in 1990, the official airline KLM is formed and its first flight took place in 17th May 1920. Fourth, UN marks World Water Day. Fifth, National LED Light Day. Sixth, Child Health Day in USA. Thank you and have a nice day ahead. News tells. News are the leader of the slide. News tells us what is happening around the world. So I would like to call Shraddha from 8th standard. Good morning to all our talent over here. Myself, Shraddha is talent over here to tell today's news highlights. Today's news highlights include ongoing Israel-Hamas war, intensifying US presidential race. Second, executions due to severe weather. Third, grand consolidation budget 1.25 crore in Ahmedabad, Gujarat. Thank you and have a great day ahead. It is still a language beautiful and attractive. So I would like to call native parents from the standard.
Good morning, respected principals, sir, vice principal, ma'am, teachers, and all my dear friends. Myself, Matrix Solution Patel. I am from 5th standard. I am here to tell you today's idiom of the day. Today's idiom of the day is bully the China shop, meaning clumsy and careless people. Sentence: he went into a class like bully in a China shop and started yelling. Thank you and have a great day ahead.
Every day we should not stop learning a new word. This is vocabulary of the day. So I would like to call Shraddha from 4th standard.
Good morning everyone, my name is Shraddha from grade 4. Today I am going to tell today's vocabulary of the day. Today's vocabulary of the day is bestow. I delete my word. Bestow. I spell my word. B-E-S-T-O-W. It means present. Sentence. He bestow public building and river improvements in return for votes. Thank you and have a nice day ahead.
Today we are celebrating the birthday of Mother of Tambe. Let's wish him with the birthday song.
Happy birthday to you.